Hello everyone, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalysts. In this video, I am going to show you how to recreate this landing page in Systeme.io. So if you are completely new on Systeme.io, then don't worry, creating this custom beautiful landing page is very simple. So for creating this landing page, you just need to have your free Systeme.io account and you just need to follow the steps what I am going to show you. So the first thing you need to do, open your Systeme.io dashboard. So first thing, I will just delete my one of the previous funnels. Okay, so then you need to come on this funnels tabs, then click on create. Then here you need to write down your funnel name. So I will just recreate this landing page. So I will just write down here landing page 2. I will just write down here. Then from here select custom, because this is a custom landing page, so we will choose from here custom. Then from here choose your currency. So from here I will choose US dollar. Then click on save. Then click here. And now we need to create a step. So just click here create step, and then from here just write down here squeeze page, or here we can write down landing page, but you need to select from here squeeze page. Then click on save. Then we need to select a template from here. Just click this here, select template, then click here edit page. So before editing the page, first of all let's rename the URL path. Here you can see the path URL is first 10k website builder. So we'll just copy the URL and then just paste over here builder. Then click here edit page. Now just delete all of the sections, all of the elements. Just hover your mouse pointer on the sections, then you can see this delete icon. Just click over here and then click OK. This way delete all of the sections. So now we got this blank canvas. So first thing, here we can see this is the text, so we will add the text. So for adding the text, you can see on the left side we have these element sections. From here we will drag all of the elements. On the very top we have this text, so we will just drag this headline text over here. Then come over here, then copy the headline text, and then come over here, double tap, and then just press Ctrl V, then that text will be pasted over here. Now you can see the images, so we need to add the images. So I will just save the image, then come over here, then drag this image element over here. Then click the image, and then from here upload the image. Image has been uploaded, then click here insert, then the image will be uploaded over here. Here you can see if we sit on full screen mode, the size is so big, so we need to reduce the sizes. So click over here and then just reduce the size. We need to make it this area. So before that we need to see what the font size of this. So for seeing the text properties, we have this plugins. The plugin's name is Fonts Info. Just open your Chrome web store, then search Fonts Info, then you will find this extension. Then add this extension on your Chrome browser or whatever browser you are using. Then just right click on the website, then click over here Fonts Info, then click here show all info. Then this plugin will be showed all of the text informations. Just right click again, then click over here show info. Then see here we can see a box. If I click over here and then see the font, all of the properties of this text has been come over here. The font weight is 700 pixel, font size is 28 pixel, and font family is, here you can see font family is Tahoma. Okay, so now we will use these properties to our text. The font size is 28 pixel, so click over here. Now 28 pixel, so we will change it into 28 pixel, and the font family is Tahoma. So select Google Fonts, and from here we will select Tahoma. Okay, Tahoma. This font is not available on Google, so we just need to download the font, and then we need to add the font as a custom font. So here we can see custom font, then we just need to upload the font. But I will not download that font, we will use another font. So let's use Poppins. This one is available, so Poppins is fine. And now we will increase the size of this image little bit larger, so just little bit. This is fine. Now we have this text, so just copy the text, come over here, then we will just duplicate this text. From here just you can see this duplicate icon, just click over here, then the text will be duplicated. Now drag this to this bottom, then double click over here, press Ctrl A, then press Ctrl V, then the text will be pasted over here. Now we need to see the text properties. Click over here, the font size is 31 pixel and font weight is 900. So click over here 31 pixel and font weight is 900, so we will select this one black. This one is too bold, so we will make it 700 pixel bold. Now this is fine. Now we have this section, so we will now create this section. So first of all, I will just clear all of the text properties. Now reload the page. Now we will just recreate this section. Okay, so first of all, let's click these sections and let's make the background color into this color, because you can see that the background color is not pure white. So for seeing the background color, I will just press Ctrl Shift S, then I will just take a screenshot. Then I will just come to Figma. So here I have Figma. So let me open the Figma. Then I will just paste the image over here. Then I will press R to got the rectangle shape. Then I will drag over here. Then I will press I to get this eyedropper tool, and then I will click over here, and then we got the background color code. So I'll just copy the background color code. I will come over here, and then you can see background color. Then I will just paste the background color code over here. Then see the background color has been changed. Now we need to add this section. So for adding the sections, first of all, we will just come over here. This is the sections, and on that sections we have this 2 column. Okay, now just drag this row over here and click the row. Then from here on the left and right side, we will increase the padding, because you can see the area is this much. So we will just increase the left hand side padding. It's this area. So we will make it. First of all, let's add this 2 column layout on this row. So come over here, and then you can see 2 columns. Drag the 2 columns into this row. Then we got this 2 row. Now here we need to add the image, and here we will add those text. So first of all, let's add this text, headline text. So we will just duplicate this text and then drag the text over here. So now copy the text, come over here, double tap, and then paste the text. Now we need to see the size of this text. So for seeing this, right click and fonts info, then show all info. Make sure you add the extensions on your browser, otherwise you cannot see those properties. I'll click over here. The font size is 31 pixel. So I will just click over here and let's make the font 31 pixel. Okay, if we see it on full screen mode, then this is going to be look like something this. Now we will add those text. So for adding those text, come over here, just drag the bullet text over here, and then you will got this bullet list. Now from here, just add all of the bullet list over here. Click over here and then select this first one, then paste Ctrl V. Now just select all of the text, change the color into pure black. Then come over here, then select the second one, then come over here, change the second one into this and select all of the text, then change the color into black. Then come over here, then copy the third one, then come over here, select, paste Ctrl V, and then select, change the color into black. Now we need to add another one, so just click over here, press enter, then another will be added on the below. Select this one, come over here, then press Ctrl V, then select all of the text, come over here and select black. Now if we see it on full screen mode, then see it's going to be look like something this. Okay, now we need to add the image over here. So for adding the image, just click over, right click and save the image, then press enter, then come over here and then click this image element, click on this upload icon, then click select files and then select the files. Now click over here, insert, and the image has been inserted over here. Now see, this is going to be look like something this, but here we need to make some more customization. So first of all, let's remove the fonts properties layer and then reload the page. Now we need to make this one. First of all, let's make the background color into white. So click this row, here you can see the row, click this setting icon, and from here background color, just make it pure white, and then click the image. Here you can see this image on the center. So we will make the image here. We need to add some margin from the top. So click this one, then from the top let's add 100 pixel, and if we see it on full screen mode, then see it's now come on the center. It's not center, we just from the top we got more space, so we'll just decrease something. Let's make it from the top 85 pixel. Then if we see, and now it's on center. Now let's see something. Here you can see it's almost similar, but here we have this one takes more space. So what we will do, just click over here, and here you can see we have this 2 column. Just increase this column area to this much. Let's make it this much. Then if you see it on full screen mode, then it will take more space. Now click over here, click this one and change the font alignment into left alignment, click on this blank area, then see it's going to be look like the same, similar to this. Now we just need to add the button over here, and we need to also change the text color into this color. So just click over here, click over here, and from here just right click on fonts info, then click show all info, then click the text, right click fonts info, show all info, then click the text, and here you can see the color code over here. Just copy the color code, come over here, select this much Systeme University, click over here, and then paste the color code over here. Then see the color has been changed. Now this is also another color, so click over here, then copy the color code, come over here and select the top much, then click over here, then paste the color code over here, press enter, then color will be changed. Now we just need to add the button over here. The button is this. So from here just click here and then drag the button element over here. Here you can see button, just drag the button element over here, and the button text is this: get access to the Systeme University. Okay, click over here, scroll down below, here you can see button text, write down here get access to the Systeme University. This is the button text. Now click the text, and button size is 19 pixel. So come over here, button size is 19 pixel, and from here subtext, just remove the subtext, and here background color. So we need to add the, so this is the background color. Just click over here, click this text, and here you can see the background color. Just copy the color code from here, come over here, then here the background color, click over here, and then paste the color code over here. Then just scroll down below, here you can see the border color, so remove the border color by clicking over here. And now if we see it to full screen mode, then see this is going to be look like this, but it have little bit. Okay, so now click over here, and now we need to reduce the padding from left and right side. So here you can see, scroll down below, padding left hand side 19 pixel, so make it 40 pixel or 30 pixel. And if we see it in full screen mode, now it's going to be look like this. Now it's similar to this. And do one thing, just from the top, okay, from the top let's make it 20 pixel, and from here padding top and bottom let's make it 10 20 pixel. And now if we sit on full screen mode, then see it's now going to be look like this. And here one thing, here you can see on the background, this background is radius. See, this is radius, and on the background they use drop shadow. So how can we do that? Just come over here, then select the row, click the setting of the row. Now here you can see, first of all let's make the border radius. So you can see rounded corner, let's make it 12 pixel from all of the side. Let's make it 12, also make it 12, and this one also 12 pixel. And if we set full screen mode, then see the border has been added some rounded corner. Now we just need to add the drop shadow. So click the setting again of the row, and then scroll down below, and from your shadow we will add the soft shadow. Then the shadow will be added over here. Here you can see the shadow has been added. So this is as simple as that. Now this section has been done. Now we will create this section. So creating this section is also so easy. First of all, here we have this headline text. So for adding the headline text, just drag the headline text over here, come over here, just copy the text, come over here, double tap, and then paste the text. Then I will just click over here, the font size is 36 pixel and the color code is black 36. Let's make it 36 and change the color into black. Now we have these sections. Here you can see we have this 2-column layout. On the left column we have this image, and on the right side we have this information text, headline text, and this paragraph text. So for adding this, we will follow the same style that we follow on this row. Just come over here, and we just need to drag this row over here. First of all, drag the row over here, then click the row and add some padding on the left and right side. Then the size will be decreased, because see, it only have this much area. So we need to decrease the padding from left and right side. We'll make this much, 126 pixel padding from the left and right side. So come over here, and then we will drag the 2-column layout on this row. Scroll down below, then you can see 2 columns. Drag the 2 columns layout over here, and on the left column we will add the image. So drag the image over here, and on the right column we have this headline text, then we have a paragraph text. So we have 2 headline text. So we will come over here and we will drag this, we will duplicate this one, and now we will just change those content. Come over here, the first one is day 1, come over here, paste. Then the second one is introduction, copy, come over here, double tap, paste. And the third one is the paragraph text, so copy the text, double tap and paste. Now we will change the size and colors, so click over here, the font color code is this and font size is 20 pixel. So click over here, select the text, click over here and change the color code into this color, and the font size is 20 pixels, so make it 20, and alignment, let's make it left alignment. Then come over here, this is the second one, the font size is 29 pixel, so click over here, click the second text, make it 29 pixel, change the alignment to left and change the color into pure black. Now we have this third one, click over here, and here you can see font size is 34 pixel and the color code is this, so copy the color code. Okay, the font size is 18 pixel, not 34. Click over here and make the size into 18 pixel. Come over here, let's change the alignment into left and select all of the text, change the color into this color. So we have successfully added all of the text. Now what we need to do, we need to change the image. So click over here, right click, save the image, press enter. Now come over here, click the image, then upload icon, then click select files, then select the file, then click on save. Then the image has been added. Now if we sit on full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. Then the font is little bit, here we have here it have more space, so click over here and increase the line height little bit. Let's make it this much, and if we change the bold text, then it's going to be look like this, but let's make it bold. Here they use another font, that's why it's look like more minimal, but here we use another font, that's why it's look like this, but it's okay, it's totally fine. So if we sit on full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. So now for reducing the space between these two, just come over here, then click the image. So for reducing the space we have lots of way, but just for the simple one, just click this right alignment, then it will be added on the right alignment, and then see the space has been reduced. Now we need to add the second one. So adding the second one is very simple, just come over here, come this row, then duplicate the row and click the row. Here you can see between these two row it have some space, so for adding the space, just click over here, click the setting icon, and from the top let's make it 50 pixel margin. Then it have added 50 pixel margin space over here. Now click the just download the image. Now day 2, and we will just copy the headline, come over here, select over here, just select the text and press Ctrl Shift V. Okay, the text has not copied, so just select the text, Ctrl C, come over here, press Ctrl Shift V. If you press Ctrl Shift V, then it will just paste the text, not paste the style. So press Ctrl Shift V. Then this is the day 2 and our bottom text. Copy the text, come over here, select all of the text, then press Ctrl Shift V, and then we need to bold, earn high converting technique, select this much and click this B icon, and then land 3 client per weeks, select this one and then click this one. Now what we need to do, we just need to duplicate this one, and first of all let's change the second image. Click on this upload, click select file, then come over here, select the image, then click on insert, and our second image has been added over here. Now just duplicate this one. Now let's change the date into day 3, come over here, first of all select save the image, right click, save, press enter, copy the text, Ctrl C, come over here, select Ctrl Shift V, then come over here, select the paragraph text, Ctrl C, come over here, select Ctrl Shift V, or here you can just press Ctrl V, then it will paste the style. Now just press Ctrl A, then click over here, select, just change the color into black. So this one is third one. Now just click over here, change the image into the third image, click on insert, then the third image has been added over here. Now see, day 1, day 3, and we left 1. So just duplicate the row, and then this is day 4. Then copy the headline text, come over here, press Ctrl Shift V, come over here, copy the paragraph text, Ctrl C, come over here, Control V, then press Control A, then change the color into black. Copy, come over here, select save the 4 image, save, and click over here, just upload the 4th image, and now click on insert. So this section is completely complete. If we sit on full screen mode, then see this section is going to be look like this. So let's look at what we made. The first section, the second section, the third one. See, it's looking very clean and minimal. So creating this landing page is very easy. Now we have this some more sections, so let's create it. Now we have this another section. Let's skip this one, the headline text, but here you can see the 2-column layout. Here we have 2-column layout. So drag the 2-column layout over here, not here, bottom. Here we will add the headline text, this one. Let's add one. Just copy this one, just copy this much, then drag the headline heading text, or we can do just duplicate this one and then drag this one over here, then double click and press Ctrl Shift B. So we will just come over here and then just duplicate this one, and now select this one and change the alignment to center, and now we will work on this. So first of all, let's save the image. So right click, save image, then copy the headline text, come over here. So here on the left side we have this image, and on the right side we have this paragraph text. So just duplicate this one, then drag this one over here, double click, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl Shift V, then the text will be pasted over here, then reduce the space, change the alignment into left, and here we have this bullet text. So just come over here. Adding this one is very simple. So like before we did, just drag the bullet text over here and then add all of the points over here. So I will just copy all of this at once, come over here, then press Ctrl A, press Ctrl V, then all of the bullet point over here, just press Ctrl A, from here change the color into black. This is very simple. We just did those things in just one click. Now just click over here and then upload the image. Click insert, then the image will be added over here. We need to just reduce the image size little bit smaller, and now if you see on full screen mode, then see this is going to be look like this. Now here we will just make this one into this right alignment, then it will be like this. Okay, so we will not make it right alignment, we will make it center, and we will just reduce the space something 365 pixel, then it's going to be look like this. So this is similar to this, fine. And here you can see here the bullet text is this green color. So if you want to change the color, just click the bullet text, and then from here scroll down below, you can see icon color. Just change the icon into this green color. This is as simple as that. So for making this style, just come over here, drag the row over here, and then click the row, and then from the left and right padding, just add this much area. Then come over here and drag the another row over here, and first of all let's click over here and change the background color into white. Okay, and let's add little bit this much area. Okay, do one thing, just decrease the background color, just click the row, and we will change the rows, this rows background color into white. And now do one thing, come over here, drag the headline text over here, and copy this text, come over here, double tap, press Ctrl Shift V, then select all and change the size into 26 pixel and change all of the text color into black. Now do one thing, drag this row over here. Now select this row, and from the top just add some negative margin, and then see the style has been added. Now if we click outside, then see it have this style, the similar style they have. So you can create the style using this way. So I will just add some little bit more, and then I will just add some padding from the bottom, then it will be add some space between these two section. So this section is done. Now we have this third section. Here we can see here it have 3 columns. Okay, here the plus one, it means here we have we need to add 4 columns. So for adding this one is also very simple. We will just click over here, section, then it will be added another section over here. Just click another row, and inside this row we will add this 4 columns. Here we have this 4 columns, and on the 4 columns, on the second ones we have to add 2 columns, and these ones in this column we we just need to add this 2-column layout, and here also we need to add 2-column layout. Why we are adding 2 columns between these sections and these sections? Because see, this is an image, so we need to add an image and add an headline text. That's why we are adding 2 columns on this particular row. So come over here, drag the headline text, or just duplicate this one, then just drag this one into these sections, and come over here, select, click over here, the font size is 30 pixel, click over here, select all, press Ctrl V, Ctrl A, select, change the color into black and make the size into 30 pixel. Then it's done. Now we have this second one. So first of all, save the image, just save the icon, then the text. So we will add the text over here, just click over here, and here the headline text and here an image. So click over here, upload, select files, and then the icon has been uploaded over here as an SVG. Now click insert, the icon has been added over here, select Ctrl A, Ctrl Shift V, or just Ctrl A, Ctrl V, and then press Ctrl A, then from here change the color into black, and the size is 25 pixels. So from here just make the size into 25 pixel. So if we see it on full screen, then see, this is going to be look like this. So here on that image, just click over here, and on the margin section just add some margin from the top. Let's make it 15 pixel margin, and let's make it more. Then it will become to this same way, and click over here and make the alignment into this left one, then sit on full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. But here you can see, click over here, and we have these 2 sections. Now just increase this sections area this much. Then if we sit in full screen mode, then see it's going on one line. Now it's look like the same. So this way you need to add this one. Now do one thing, just delete this two column, and then just duplicate this 2 column, and then just drag this 2 column over here. Now this is a plus icon, okay, this is in text, so just copy the text, come over here, just duplicate this text, drag the text over here, select it and paste the text, and then come over here, the 71 pixel, and copy the color code from here, select the plus, click here and change the color code, and from here make the font size in 71 pixel, then make it into center, and on the margin make it 0, from the bottom make it 0, and from the top make it 50 pixel or make it more. Now let's change the last one. This is the last one. So first of all, save the image. Now copy the text, Ctrl A, Ctrl Shift V. Now do one thing, just duplicate this row, come over here, duplicate this row, and then I will just right click, save the image, press enter, copy the text, come over here, click the icon, select files, and just upload the SVG files, and then click on insert. Then click over here, press double tap, press Ctrl A, Ctrl Shift V, then this is done. Now click over here, and we need to change the icon. Click over here, this is the icon, maybe this one. Then we have the last one, right click, save images, press enter, then copy the text, come over here. Now just duplicate this row and double tap, press Ctrl Shift V, and click over here. Here it have some line breaks, so just click backspace, then the line break will be deleted. Now click over this icon, then click on upload files, select files, then select the SVG icon. Then our this section is also done. Now we have just need to add the button. Click on insert, then see it's added over here. Now if you sit on full screen mode, it's going to be look like the same, but it have on the center. So for making it center, just add some margin from the top, then it will become on the center. Select this one, okay, just decrease this one, decrease the amount of this section, then this two will be took more space, and from here, from the top, just make it 100 pixel or as much you need, or you can make it 150 pixel, then it will become on the center. And if we sit on full screen mode, then see this is going to be look like this, and we need to make it center. So for making it center, what we need to do, we also need to add some margin from the top. So from the top, make it 150 pixel, then it will come on the center. See, this two now is on center. So this way you can easily create these sections. Now we just need to create this button. So for adding the button, click over here, just come over here, drag the button element over here, and this is the button text. So I'll just copy the button text, open your notepad. Yes, I want to get access to this master class and earn my first $10,000 as a no code website builder. I will just copy the text, come over here, click over here, and from the button text I will just paste all of the text over here. And then we don't need the subtext, so just remove the subtext and delete the we need to add the background color. So this is the background color. So click over here, copy the background color code here. From the background, just paste the background color code over here. And now on the bottom here you can see the border color, so remove the border. And now here you can see the area is this much, the area of this button is this much. So just click over here, click the button and just decrease, just add more. Okay, on the padding section, just left and right side. Okay, not this one. Okay, do one thing, we need to add a section, add a row first over here. Just add the row over here, click the row, and from here just add some padding on the left and right side. Then see the area has been decreased. Now do one thing, just drag this one onto this row, then it will come to this area. Now if we sit in full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. We need to add, click over here and just add more amount from the left and right side. Then sit on full screen mode. Okay, button, click. Okay, not the button, we need to click on row, and here left and right side decrease. And now see, it's going to be look like this. Now come over here, click the button, and button margin from the top and padding on the top, bottom, left and right side, rounded corner. And let's in full screen mode, it's going to be look like this. Access to this $10,000 as a, okay, click over here, click the button. Here we can see the button text as a no code website builder. So we'll make this one, and then if someone click over here, they will just redirect to the next page. The font size is 22 pixels, so click over here, let's make the font size into 22 pixel, font size 22 pixel. And here we need to add the $sign. So come over here, I just mistake the $sign, and it's done. Now what do we need to do? When someone click over here, they will just redirect to this page. So I'll just right click over here, click link address, then come over here, then from the button here we just need to paste the link. Here you can see the form submissions. Here we can need to next step URL or just open URL. Just from here, just paste the URL, then it will open the new URL. This is as simple as that. Now just click on save and our page is done. So this way you can easily, okay, at least one email recreate. Okay, this is a squeeze space. Okay, and on the squeeze space we must need to have one email input field, but we didn't use any input field, that's why it's showing this problem. So when you create this space, you need to create this space as a cell space, not a squeeze space. Okay, then this problem will not show. And now for fixing this problem, do one thing, just we need to drag this form input over here on the bottom. If we drag it over here, and if we click over here and from here select email, and then if we click on save, then see this time it's saved. Now if we see the preview of our complete landing page, then we can see the preview from here. See, the landing page is completely fine, and we can share the URL with anyone, and then everything is looking very fine. So that's it for this particular video. I think you guys learned something new, and if you guys didn't like anything, then feel free to tell me in the comment section below. I will try to improve the thing in the next video. So that is all for this particular video. We will meet you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and keep watching our videos.